How to use Visa gift card on DoorDash. Now there is a little bit of confusing on how you can use Visa gift card on DoorDash. First of all, open the DoorDash app and make sure to log into your account. To normally redeem your card, what you do is simply go to your profile icon from the top left. Then what you can do is from here go to payment methods. You can see a couple of payment method option over here, right? Now you can also see one of the option that says credit or debit card. What you have to do is there are two types of gift card. One is a DoorDash gift card itself. So if it is a DoorDash gift card itself, you have to redeem that during the checkout process. But if it is a Visa gift card, then you have to redeem it as a normal credit or debit card. So if it is a Visa gift card or AMEX gift card or other gift card, you have to redeem it as a normal payment method like any other credit or debit card, and it will also have expiration date, CVV and zip code. But again, as I said, there's a difference. If it was a DoorDash gift card, then that one you have to redeem to basically go ahead and then redeem as a DoorDash gift card. So it says redeem a gift card to add credits. You can tap on redeem, enter the gift card number here. But this is not a DoorDash gift card. What we are trying to redeem is a Visa gift card. So DoorDash will not see it as a gift card, but rather as a normal payment method. So that is why you have to redeem that one as a normal credit or debit card and then tap on the add card button. But in your case, you can just try both of these options to see which one works for you if you're not sure which type of card you have. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.